Are you one of those people that has lots of tools but always struggle to find a good, clean way to store your tools? We have here the PVC tool rack. We've been using this tool rack for the past 15 plus years. They're very durable, and we just put a fresh coat of paint on it. Some of the fittings we use for this design, we have a 90-degree L, we have the slip T's from Circo Innovations here, we have the crosses and the standard T's. On the bottom here, we're using some 3-ways, some more slip T's. Moving into the height of this, it's around 4 feet, 4.5 feet. So those shovels are just hanging there, they don't rot. If you have any long tools, they can go down here through the middle and put it at an angle if they're longer. Let's go ahead and put some tools on here and see how it looks. We're going to be repairing a couple spots that broke. We had a couple snap pieces here. We're going to re-glue them. We put in a new T there. So let's see how it goes. Let's get it. For more do-it-yourself videos out of PVC, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you would like to purchase any of our products or get our free plans, go to www.circoinnovations.com.